A factory reset restores your T-Mobile router to its original settings, clearing custom Wi-Fi passwords, network names, and admin logins. It's essential for fixing persistent issues like firmware glitches, security vulnerabilities, or slow performance. The primary method involves a pinhole reset button, usually found on the back or bottom of the router. Pressing this button with a paperclip triggers the reset process, indicated by specific LED light patterns. Remember that post-reset, you'll need to reconnect your devices and reconfigure your settings via the web portal, typically at 192.168.1.1 or my.tmobile.com. Newer models may also offer partial resets via the T-Mobile app or web interface, but the pinhole method remains a reliable core option. Locate the recessed reset button on your T-Mobile router. Using a paperclip or similar tool, press and hold the button for the correct duration, typically 10 to 15 seconds for most models. Check your router's label or T-Mobile's support page for exact timing. Watch the router's LEDs during the hold. They might flash rapidly, turn off momentarily, or change color. Release the button when the LEDs stabilize or flash in a pattern indicating reset confirmation, such as all LEDs on solid, then the router reboots. The router will then automatically reboot, taking 2 to 5 minutes. After the reboot, the router will be back to its default settings, like SSID, T-Mobile Wi-Fi, and default admin login, often admin password. Model-specific adherence is critical. Incorrect timing can lead to incomplete resets.